Hi guys, and welcome back to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at this Maverick QuantumRX Rally Car. It's so big that we can't even get it in full picture. Absolutely massive RC car coming in at 1/8 scale. So this is going to definitely compete against the likes of the Relilo XTS Rally Car. Really good price point considering this is a lot bigger. Really high quality from Maverick here. It comes in both blue and fluoro green. It's a 4S rally car, but it doesn't actually come with a battery. So radiocontrol.co.uk do throw in a 2S battery as of today. We're actually sold out already on this, but we will be restocking almost immediately, and it takes a few days to get in. So if you want to order today, then head over there and you should still get it in a couple of days. So it's four-wheel drive, shaft-driven drivetrain with independent suspension, oil-filled shocks, big bore oil-filled shocks, and it has gravel tyres fitted. Comes with the remote and everything you need excluding the battery, so it's ARTR, almost ready to run. And comes with a 120 amp, like as I say, 4S ESC, and 3,674 to 2,250 kilovolt brushless motor. One thing I love about this is the body show. It actually looks way better in real life than what you see here. We'll get that out in 1 second, just unboxing it in the background there. As I say, comes in this almost metallic blue and a fluoro green. The cameras don't really do these colours justice. But on the to be honest, the box art and the standard photos that are online, they don't really do this justice. It looks way better in real life, but it's just absolutely massive. And that metallic blue really pops. I haven't actually seen the green one yet, the fluoro green one yet, so we're going to get them in the next batch as well. Already seem quite popular. I've had a few people asking about them. Let's have a look under the hood. So it's a classic layout, all of the electronics, steering servo down the right hand side, and the space for the battery on the other side. Loads of space for the battery. But yes, this looks absolutely awesome, and I'm hoping to get one of these out soon, but these sold out before I got a chance, so this one's already sold and already gone out. Please do like, follow and subscribe our channel. It really does help us grow our traffic to the website, and in turn this is free traffic that comes from YouTube. So that should help us lower our prices and remain really competitive for you guys to get the best prices. Once again, this is the Maverick QuantumRX Rally Car, available in both fluoro green and blue. Nice one, guys. Have a good day. Cheers.